There is a lot of talk at the moment about the different types of oils that you can use on your skin to help with anti-aging and all the other benefits that you can get by using a natural oil. At the moment, the internet is buzzing with castor oil, but my absolute favorite would have to be coconut oil. Particularly with the cost of living crisis that we're having at the moment, I have had to cut back on a lot of my favorite, more expensive creams and find more natural ways to look after my skin and my hair and my nails. In this video, I'm going to share with you the ways that I use coconut oil every day to improve my skin, help with anti-aging, and just give me what I feel is an overall glow. Being that I buy it from the supermarket, this is a very cheap way to look after your skin and hair. This is the one that I actually use. It's an organic one. I think I pay about $4 for it and I buy it at my local supermarket. It is melted today, so I will have to show you some of it later. I have got this whole summer glow going on because it is a beautiful balmy 37 degrees today and about 85% humidity. To everyone else out there, that's around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, I'm warm. And last night I did actually do one of my aloe vera / coconut oil peels. So my skin is a little bit tender today, but I will share that little trick in another video. Today we are just going to talk about what I think are the benefits of coconut oil and how I use it and how I find it. So let's get started. So obviously the main area that I use coconut oil is on my face. What I like to do is I keep it on my coffee table, so at the end of the day, after I've finished all my work and dinner's out the way and I sit down and relax for a few minutes, it reminds me to grab it and put it on. The first thing I always do is apply some to my face. Basically just a dollop up here and a dollop here and a dollop here, and then just rub it in. I always want to push up. I just want everything to go up. I usually keep away from my nose and my chin just in case of potential breakouts because it can be a bit oily there. I always make sure I put loads under my eye. I think it's amazing for eye bags. Yeah, it really hydrates the skin. I always pop some over here. Pop it in your eyebrows. They say it's good for your eyebrows and eyelash growth, so why not? I also follow all the way down my neck and into the décolletage area, which gets a lot of damage when you live in a warm climate like I do. Basically, yes, we want it all over our face. If you're actually having a day where you feel like you might be getting a breakout or you've had a little bit too much oil on your skin, give it a break for a day, but I always do under the eyes. I think that is a really important area to always focus on. Another great thing that I have found with coconut oil, it is really good for those ends of your hair. Yes, I'm going with the summer pigtails today because it's so warm. Basically, you can just pop a little bit on at night. It washes out really easily. But I'm actually trying to grow my hair. So one of the things that I'm finding is that from here to here is where I really need to improve the health so that my ends stop splitting and I can actually start getting some length again. So basically, after you have a shower, shampoo your hair, condition, rub a tiny little bit into the ends before you brush while your hair's still wet. That just actually helps lock in the moisture and help your hair from not splitting. Otherwise, if your hair is dry, just pop a little bit on at night before you go to bed. So some people do actually prefer to use castor oil on their skin. Both of them have amazing benefits, so it depends on what you're looking for. They say that castor oil has a slight advantage over coconut oil on hair. However, coconut oil is better on your skin because castor oil is quite thick, and coconut oil is definitely better for your skin if you do have oily or combination skin. Very light and it's absorbed very easily. If you're just new to using it, maybe just use it every second day until your skin gets used to it, see how you react. If you feel like you're starting to get any breakouts, then give it a break for a day or two. The other thing that I find, obviously, whilst you're putting it all over your face or just during the day if your lips feel dry, it is great as a lip balm. Really good. Very moist, it smells delicious, and obviously it doesn't matter if it gets into your mouth. Unlike lipstick, who knows what we're eating. The other place that I use my coconut oil while I'm sitting down at night is on my hands. I think it's absolutely beautiful. The difference, if you look at the before and after, when your hands look so dry and you apply some coconut oil, you can actually feel it absorbing and your skin looks amazing instantly. Amazing. Rub it down right into your nails. It helps with nail growth. I have terrible nails. My nails just will not grow. But I do find when I'm using coconut oil, they do get longer and stronger. Now, whilst we are doing our nighttime routine, I always actually use my coconut oil all the way up my arm and under here. They basically say that coconut oil, this is also true of aloe vera, actually helps your body with collagen production. So I find that whilst I'm there, rub up and down my arms, underneath my arms, make sure everything is done. If you're still in the mood, it is wonderful on your lower legs, your knees, your elbows, anywhere that you find that your skin is dry. You can also use it on your feet as a foot balm. Look after those extremely dry heels that we get, especially when we're wearing our open cut sandals and thongs. Basically, I have found that there is nowhere on the body that coconut oil does not feel good and does not work wonders. It absorbs so quickly. It smells beautiful. It is very cheap to buy and you can use it at any time. I have actually heard about people using it on their legs to shave their legs instead of shaving cream. I have yet to give that one a try, but let me know if you have. I am always looking at new things to try, especially when it comes to anti-aging or looking for natural or cheaper ways to look after my skin and keep it looking younger. So please subscribe to this channel if these are the types of videos that you would be interested in. I'll be exploring castor oil in a little bit more detail, and I will definitely be telling you a little bit more about my other favorite, aloe vera. If you have used coconut oil or are thinking about using coconut oil, please let me know down in the comments. And if there is anything else you would like some more information on, as I mentioned, I will be doing a video shortly on aloe vera. I've also just found a fabulous homemade vitamin C serum recipe, which I will be giving a try shortly. I definitely do love coconut oil. It's a natural product and always makes me think about lazing by the beach in the sun. Basically, coconut oil is an amazing moisturizer. It's especially good for dry skin. It's also good for boosting collagen and assisting with aging skin. And it just feels lovely. It can help reduce inflammation, which we get from those terrible UVB rays. And it's also suggested that it can help with eczema and other skin conditions. A lot of people do believe that it causes pimples and gives you a breakout. Sometimes it's just the extra moisture that can cause this, because basically coconut oil has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. So often this can actually help with acne and scars and other issues with the skin. I think with anything you just need to start slowly. Do a bit of trial and error and see what works best for your skin. Sometimes I find doing something one day and then having a break and then doing the next works well with my skin. Sometimes I mix up my routines daily or weekly depending on how my skin is going, how much sun I've had, if I've been in the pool, because a lot of chlorine does affect my skin differently and I have to drop off the retinol. I think that everybody needs to not have a strict routine, just to try to look at what products work for you and what kind of condition your skin is on a daily basis, and look for the best product or natural product in your fridge or in your bathroom that may suit how your skin is feeling on that day. I'm very interested to know what everybody else uses and how your skin reacts to different things. Do you find that you are in the wrinkle pimple stage? Let me know down in the comments, because I would love to hear from you. It should be noted that virgin coconut oil is made from the freshest coconuts and has antioxidant properties. I think Mother Nature has provided us with everything that we need, and I think there are great benefits to be found by using what comes from nature and what we can find in our own house.